Welcome to DLM Distribution. Today we have a 2019 Transit Connect with a brand new Mini-T conversion, blue metallic in color. On the roof you find solar, over there antenna, max air fan. Inside you will find a bed, 43 by 72 inches, that folds up into a couch. In the back we have the microwave, refrigerator, sink, TV, DVD player, over there antenna, solar, 2000 watt inverter, front privacy curtain, also comes with Weathertech sunshades and Weathertech floor mats. All Mini-T Campervans come with a hitch, shore power plug-in cord, has a hand pump faucet, some LED lighting. Here's your table. And here it is in the couch position. Check out our inventory or give us a call, 651-285-7089, 507-382-9446. Our website will list available units or upcoming camper vans, or again, give us a call. Happy camping!